Today we're taking a fake potted plant and some little foam eggs to make a spooky Halloween plant. Okay, so I'm looking at the join that runs around the foam egg, and I've just drawn a pencil line right along it to help me work out the centre. And now I'm using a washer to help me to estimate the centre and to draw in a pupil and around the outside of the iris. So I'm drawing in the pencil line, ensuring that both of the lines are around about the same distance apart all the way around, and I'm penciling it in at a bit of an angle so it's a little bit smaller than the outside of the washer. So I'm taking the darker version of the colour I've chosen for the iris and I'm drawing along the line marking out the outside of the iris. And I'm taking the light green colour to draw around the outside of the pupil and to colour in the iris. Now I'm colouring in the pupil with the dark or the black marker. Just taking care not to go outside the circle. And now I'm using the dark texture again to mark some long lines with some small lines in between to give the iris a more realistic look. And giving the eye a bloodshot look around the outside with little red squiggly lines, making sure it doesn't extend further than the first pencil line that I drew in around the join. Now I'm making a little hole at the back with a skewer so that I have somewhere to insert the plastic stem on the plant. So pushing it in, not too far so that it goes through the pupil, but far enough so that it sits there nice and stable. So there you have it. Happy Halloween, everybody.